In today's bit-sized Japanese, we're going to learn the grammar pattern 上で目的, which is a JLPT N2 grammar point, and then we usually use it with the 実証形, the dictionary form, with suru form. And then this presents a kind of purpose, and it means that in order to or in doing something in English. So let's take a look at our first example, vocabulary. The first one is 企画, which is plan, project, 企画. The second one is 成功させる, to make succeed, 成功させる. Next one is 協力, cooperation, 協力. Next one is 必要, necessary, 必要. Let's take a look at the actual example. 今度の企画を成功させる上で、ぜひみんなの協力が必要なのだ. So the hiragana is 今度の企画を成功させる上で、ぜひみんなの協力が必要なのだ. So it means to make this project succeed, everyone's cooperation is necessary. So let's take a look at one by one. 今度の企画 is this project. 今度の企画を成功させる上で in order to make it successful. 成功させる上でぜひ definitely みんなの協力が everyone's cooperation みんなの協力が必要なのだ。必要なのだ is necessary. One more time. 今度の企画を成功させる上で、ぜひみんなの協力が必要なのだ。Okay, now let's take a look at second example's keywords. The first one is 学習. 学習. Study, learn. 学習. Next one is 大切. Important. 大切. 基礎的. 基礎的. Basic, foundational. 基礎的. Next one is 実行. 実行. Items matters. 実行. Next one is 身につける. To acquire, to master. 身につける. Now let's take a look at the actual example. 数学を学習する上で大切なことは、基礎的な事項をしっかり身につけることだ。Now with the hiragana slower. 数学を修学する上で大切なことは、基礎的な事項をしっかり身につけることだ。So it means that in learning mathematics, what matters is firmly mastering the basics. So, one by one. 数学を修学する. So, mathematics, learning of mathematics is 数学を修学する上で in order to, in terms of learning this, 大切なことは the important thing is 大切なことは基礎的な事項 the items, the foundational items 基礎的な事項をしっかり身につけることだ. So you have to master that first. To master the foundational items firmly. So one more time. 数学を修学する上で大切なことは基礎的な事項をしっかり身につけることだ. Okay, so that is our second example. Now let's take a look at our third example's keywords. 有意義, meaningful. 有意義, meaningful. 留学生活 is life while studying abroad. 留学生活. Next one is 注意点, points to note. 注意点. Next one is 下記, as written below. 下記, as written below. Now let's take a look at the actual sentence. 有意義な留学生活を送る上での注意点は下記の通りです。Now, one more time is hiragana. 有意義な留学生を送る上での注意点は下記の通りです。So the English one is the points to keep in mind for meaningful study abroad life are as follows. So let's break it down. 有意義な留学生を. So this part, 有意義な留学生活 is meaningful study abroad life. 有意義な留学生活を送る上で in order to lead a meaningful study abroad life の注意点は下記の通りです。So 注意点は so these are the points to keep in mind. 注意点 keeps in the points 下記のとおりです。So as follows. One more time. 有意義な留学生活を送る上での注意点は下記のとおりです。So that is our third example, and then that's the end of today's bit-sized Japanese, and see you in the next one.
That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.